Tignan natin. Busy-busy no? Okay, tandaan nyo, 5 minutes yan. Nagmamadali kayo, ha? Ano yung tanggalan? Number? Okay, tanggalan yung number. Okay. So, nananalo ang ating red here. Okay, Akagami here. Then the black one, number 11. Okay, crossing over, round, good. Oh, nice run. Akagami first. Okay, second, the white guy, that long leg, black, number 11. Then we have sport. Okay. Hilingan. Hilingan si red air shots. Okay. Daddy long leg first. Yun. Nice crossover. Ang haba ng biyak. Okay. Akagami din. The black bear finally. Number 11. Okay. Okay, daddy long leg. First pa rin talaga. Yes, then Leonidas! Oh, from 300! Akagami from One Piece! Blackbeard! Okay! Oh, nagkaalaman ko kung sino ang mas bata! Okay, tingnan natin. Oh, yeah. Dinihingan na! Grabe naman ito si Daddy Complexo. Came first, Leonidas second. Akagami third. Oh no, inahabol na ho siya. Okay, sabihin mo lang kung titigil ka na. Okay.